Alright guys, we are posted up here under the 2000 Boxster. We're going to do the oil change. We're going to do it live and we're going to do it together. And then I'm going to take the filter over to my makeshift operating table to the right, and we're going to cut it open and make sure everything is clean, which I anticipate no issues. But we're going to find out together. Now I also did want to make a note. I took the cover off back here. It obviously will be reinstalled. I just took it off so we could see a little bit better the transmission and CV boots and whatnot. So for being a 2000, which is 25 years old, with 130,000 miles, she is really clean under here, which is obviously what we like to see. So I also make this videos, so maybe someone's watching this, or they're thinking about bidding and they're like, oh, I can't afford the maintenance. Well, guess what? For the most part, you can. You could do an oil change for yourself, under $100. You actually get the oil from Walmart. It's the cheapest. And they'll deliver it to your house, which is excellent. Man, going the right way? Yeah. Oh, there we go. You just need some very basic tools to do an oil change on these cars. It's not a lot. It's not difficult. So I would say halfway through its life, I don't see anything sparkly or shiny. I don't see any plastic residue. But we will find out when we pull the filter apart. So yeah, these cars are not, I mean, sure, some things are a pain in the rear, you know, but the basic maintenance on these is nothing. And when it comes to certain things, like, you know, if you want to do your AOS or something along those lines, it's actually way easier. Well, obviously it's easier on these, on the 986, because you can get to the motor from the top and the inside. We're gonna let all that dry in. I mean, you can get this oil filter wrench off Amazon for probably, I mean, I don't know, $10. I've had this on forever. The biggest thing I can tell you, make sure you get a big drip pan. I always tell the story of the first one of these I did. I mean, we're talking 10 years ago. But I just had a dinky little, like, 4-cylinder drain pan for, like, a Honda, you know? Oh my god. Talk about a mess. Alright, we're gonna leave the canister in there. Let everything drain itself out. Alright, we're gonna let that do its thing, and we're gonna come over here. We're gonna cut the filter open. At first look, I don't see anything alarming in the baffles, in the buffles. God, it's like 8 o'clock and it's already getting hot. It's crazy. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, so what we are looking for, we're looking for anything shiny, and we're also looking for gray plastic bits, because that is what the chain guides are made of. And I don't see anything. I don't even see any dirt. Oh, that's good. Not that there really should be. Alright guys, I'm going to call this one done. We're going to clean her up and get the photos done and send her on her way. If you have any questions, by all means, just let me know. And thank you.